In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and uninstall Warp Cloudflare. We'll walk through getting the Windows installer from the official site, running it safely, and then removing it cleanly if you ever need to. I'll keep things clear and paced so you can follow along as you watch. First, open your web browser and go to 1.1.1.1. That's Cloudflare's official landing page for its privacy tools. You should see download options for different platforms. Choose the Windows option to start the download. If your browser asks whether to save the file, choose Save. Keep an eye on your browser's download bar. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. If you don't see the download begin, look for a visible download button on that page and click it again to retry. Once the download finishes, click the file directly from your browser's downloads list or open your downloads folder and double-click the installer. If Windows shows a user account control or smart screen prompt, select Yes or Run to continue. This is normal for software that needs permission to install network components. The installer will open and guide you through setup. Click. Next to proceed, you can review the license terms and default install location. The defaults are fine for most people. Then click Install. The installer may briefly adjust your network settings and add a virtual network adapter, so don't worry if your connection flickers for a moment. Let it complete without interrupting the process. When it's done, you'll see a completion screen, and the Cloudflare Warp app may open automatically so you can confirm everything installed correctly. If you ever need to remove Warp from your computer, open Control Panel. An easy way is to press the Start key and type Control Panel, then open it. Select Programs and then Programs and Features to view your installed applications. Find Cloudflare Warp in the list, select it, and choose Uninstall. Confirm any prompts and, if asked, grant administrator permission. The uninstaller will remove the app and its components. If Windows suggests a restart to finish, go ahead and restart when convenient to ensure everything is fully cleaned up. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always download from the official site to avoid tampered installers. Keep your browser open until the file finishes downloading. And if you're on a work or school device, check with your administrator in case policies restrict VPN-style tools. That's it. Installing and uninstalling Cloudflare Warp on Windows is straightforward when you know where to click. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up confidently.